Hello! This is the unboxing of the iPhone 12. 250 gig. As you can see, the box is much smaller. This is the blue. Wow. Look at it. Ready? Cool. That's it. Look at it. Looks lovely. Looks sick though. The blue looks really nice. Look, you've got like blue here, blue all the way around. Here's a comparison with the iPhone 12 and the Pro Graphite. They're near enough the same, they're exactly the same size. And near enough the same thickness.
It's the same.
Basically the same. The difference is you get a couple more camera. This one's supposed to be a bit, I don't know. Anyway, thank you please.